everyone. So I just got back from breakfast and I changed and got ready for the day, but today is going to be very productive. This week of school was a lot and kind of difficult, so I wanted to make sure my space was clean and that I'm just ready for this upcoming week and don't have to worry about anything like that. So I made my bed. I am going to my sister's to do laundry. I am gonna go shopping at Target and get some groceries and also just go to some stores and show you guys the fall decor. I also want to get a cold brew, a pumpkin cold brew, just for the vlog and because it's so good. I'm gonna include that in this vlog and I hope you guys enjoy and you guys can just follow me on this journey. I'm running out of clothes, so it's not the best outfit, but it's an outfit. So I got my grocery list. I feel like I'm forgetting a bunch, but that's just a little bit of what I need. And now I think I'm gonna get my laundry together and go to my sister's. I made it to my car. My hand is so red. Carrying that was a lot. It was really heavy. But that's a drive to my sister's now. And we're gonna go to lunch with her and her boyfriend. So yeah, and then something just dripped on my foot whenever I was putting my feet up to the pedal. So a little bit of a concern. All right, I'll see you guys there. What? It is 95 in Bloomington, super duper hot, and now I'm gonna go to Target. I'm gonna get a pumpkin cold brew even though it's 95 degrees, so that's where we're gonna go next. Hi guys! I was literally just thinking as I was driving, I was like, how am I even allowed to drive? I'm not a bad driver. I just remember like a time when I couldn't drive, and I still don't feel like old enough to drive. Even though I've been driving for like 3 years, it still feels weird. Anyways, I am changing out my car freshener. So this one is Crisp Morning Air. So put it in there. I'm gonna go finish up the laundry in my sister's apartment, and then I got some stuff at Target and Bath & Body and American Eagle, so I'll show you guys that whenever I get back to my dorm. But I'm finally back. I'm gonna show you guys some stuff I got while I was shopping. I've got it all set up for you guys right here. For some reason it deleted, but we're gonna refilm it. So from Target, I got this Boo container that I'm gonna use for pencils. I got this Myers apple cider dish soap. I've used this so far and it is amazing. It makes everything smell so good. And then this Febreze Air, what does it say? Fresh Spiced Apple Limited Edition spray. So I like the scent. It's got kind of a grassy smell for some reason, but big fan. So moving on to Bath & Body Works, I got this pumpkin cupcake room spray. It smells very good. Then I got this hand sanitizer, the Perfect Autumn, also smells so good. I honestly like this scent the best out of everything. Then pumpkin apple, which has always been one of my favorites. I use these in my backpack. Then lastly, I got these socks that I saw on TikTok from American Eagle. So first I got a set of this hedgehog and mushroom socks, these hearts socks. And then it also came with a pair like these, but shorter cuff. Then I bought these long socks, and then if you can see, it's got like pumpkin spice lattes on it, and leaves and acorns. And then I got these, which say trick or treat. And they've got little pugs with pumpkins. I love those. I also got one more thing. It is a whiteboard. I'll go ahead and show you guys the clip here, but I put it on the outside of my door to tell my residents where I'm at the moment. That way they can reach me if they need to. So I got that and I designed that, and that is everything that I got. So one more thing for a video I'm filming this week. I got some pumpkin puree and pumpkin pie spice. So I'm gonna be making my own pumpkin cream cold foam brew, my own pumpkin cold brew with the pumpkin cold foam. So I'm very excited for that. So subscribe and on your post notification bell, and it'll update you whenever I post that video. So I'm gonna meet my friend Allie for dinner. I went ahead and changed because I'm gonna go play soccer later with some friends. So I'm wearing this big tank top. I might clean later tonight or tomorrow just because I don't want to miss out on stuff just because I'm cleaning. So I might do that later tonight. I will let you all know. But for right now, I'm gonna go play soccer. Hi guys! So I hung out my lights. I ended up not putting them up at the top because anytime I closed my curtain it was like super difficult, but I actually really like them there. They're super cute. But that soap, the Myers dish soap that I got, smells so good. Like seriously, like I recommend you getting it. I'm gonna go study for the day, so I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. But thank you guys so much for coming along and doing all this fall stuff with me. It was so much fun, and I will see you guys super soon. Bye!